Hey everybody, it's Lawrence, lawrencelanoff.com. This is the place where you can learn about reality and discover some of the secrets about evolution, which I'm going to share with you right now. One of them is something that I was talking about with my friend Kelsey.
Hi.
And what we were talking about is that, a lot of the problems you and I have are because of little innovations, little mutations would be the more accurate word, little mutations, little fuck-ups that happened to our genetic code millions, in some cases billions of years ago. So there's lots of things that we experience now, like race and fears of strangers and boundaries and territorial wars and skirmishes and all this stuff. But before all of that happened, there was something called just a little angry creature that was kind of like, "Bow," right? And that one little innovation, that one little thing that just was like, "Bow," creates this evolutionary change with little creatures that have a little emotional instability actually fuck more and make more copies and do better. And then now, and then the little creatures that were like in love and just be like, so, we have all these things like love conquers everything, and that's cool and sweet, but that's not true. What's true is we're slightly emotionally unstable, and that emotional instability creates this, which was the mutation, started as a mutation. That one little change creates this character that's a little bit like, and the ability to turn and bark and scratch and just hiss like the kitties do. It turns out that for life, that's something that allows us to get an evolutionary advantage. So now we have stories about it, we have layers on it, we have concepts on top, but fundamentally, a slight bit of emotional instability as a mutation turns out to be something that's really useful for the promulgation of the species, for the propagation of the species. And so that's my thought for today. It's Lawrence Lanoff, lawrencelanoff.com. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel right now, and remember, you are not a human. You are a mutation. I'll see you in the next video.